Da kaba kedau ikjing sya thombor bakjing pinjulor ki kali Sorkar Khubor Jong ka KSU Meghalaya Shillong ka Meghalaya Government Drivers Welfare Association kala kerpan ik Sorkar banshim kila jingïada nakabinta ki Nongñiah kali Sorkar. Ha ka Chief Secretary u President ka Association CCMle ulong bakatu katni ki kali Sorkar kila sya pinjulor badon ru ki bala kemding ki Nongñiah kali ru kila mensa mulumala hakapor bakidang trei ka association kala Kyntu ke Sorkar ban betha ikitnat Sorkar ban kiar na kejing bniah kali Sorkar klem Pyndonkam ki jaka barit pai hadu ban da phai biang kejing long jingman kala ai jing modru ban aila ki Ophisar ban Pyndonkam ki kali Shimet Jong ki na ka benta ki kam office ba man ka Sngi kat ba ki kam ki ba kongsan bat kerki kidang la ban beteng da pen khlaing ki jingïada ka association kala pin pauru ik jingïada bala abslem jong ki Nongñiah kali Sorkar ki bakat kum keseng ki trei haki jaka badon jingma klem ke jingyo jingïada ka babiang.
Good evening to you all. My name is Shimet Jong. I'm the president of the Meghalaya Government Driver Welfare Association, and I came here also to meet with the press. Just want to give a message to our government and also what happened yesterday. We from the government driver, we condemn, especially what happened to our fellow drivers who attended duty while pick up the officers. Some of the miscreants we don't know. Some of the boys, they came with two-wheelers. They just attacked the vehicle without giving the warning also, like ask the driver to get down from the vehicle. Just directly attack the vehicle, especially to our drivers. Most of them, they are minor injured. And also yesterday we received so many complaint letters from our drivers. That's why we came here, just to give a message to our government also, to please do something, especially for us also, the government drivers, so that in future also, it won't affect the human life of the drivers also. Because we are doing our duty, we are giving our best, especially when we go and drop the officers, when we return back to the office alone. It really make all the drivers with a fear. Why? Because yesterday what happened, I think we all witnessed through social media. And for that, I appeal to our government and also to the officers concerned of the head of department to please cooperate with us for time being. For now, we would like to use the private vehicle of the officers to attend the duty, and also for time being we will stop using the government vehicle. Only this much I want to give a message to our officers and also to the government. Thank you.
Kata bagi semakat Sngi sangka.
Sngi ka dari MSIS. Mo.
Gak jingïada bahasa yang Sorkar hantam ya ikut ya sutom.
Ini kena hapsa dari sama. Ada MHIS KP.
Untuk mulai karakter kata.
Jadi kon pi hap ada medika hostel. Tahap lek pi ka registration. Tele dam pi de smart card. Tersampah cok.
Oh dokter dan bahaya.
Yang ni kon pi hap lek operation ni yo. Te gua kam to hap penjan ni pi ya ka paisa ka ka. Hap lek operation ni. Tahu PM MHIS card pi dan ni smart card. Tengah try membayar ri pi.
Ri nak pagi mon lek yo paisa sumar ni kon. Abenda ni ksir yo sumar. Kebelah si bona kalau Jylla atau percangkafu ni ya.
Ini kan itu ada yang smart card.
Oh, kan teh. Kebelah si bon. Mo.
Thank you.